Good morning. Thank you for calling ABC Travel and Tours, your trusted travel partner. This is Trixie. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'm looking to book a vacation for me and my family. We're thinking of going to number 1.50 next month. Can you help me with that?
Of course, I'm happy to help you plan a relaxing vacation. To get started, may I know the number of people traveling with you and if you have a specific destination in mind, or are you open to suggestion for one destination?
It's for 4 people and besides number 1 with beautiful beaches, we're thinking about the Philippines or maybe Thailand.
Wonderful choices. Both the Philippines and Thailand are fantastic destinations with beautiful beaches. For example, in the Philippines, we have a popular spot like Boracay and Palawan, which offer clear blue waters and plenty of activities. In Thailand, places like Phuket and Krabi are also great for beach lovers. Could you tell me what kind of activities or experience you're looking for? For example, are you interested in all-inclusive resort, guided tours, or more adventure-based activities like snorkeling, island hopping, or cultural tours? That sounds perfect. But based on your preference, I will recommend destinations like Palawan in the Philippines or Krabi in Thailand. Both offer stunning beaches, peaceful resort, and easy access to some local sightseeing. I can help you book a package that include accommodation at a beachfront resort along with option for island tour and local excursionists. Those that's those that sound good to you.
Yeah, that sounds great. What kind of packages do you offer?
We offer several vacation packages ranging for 4-star to 5-star resort with option for all inclusive meals, tours and activities like snorkeling, spa treatment, and private boat rides. I check availability for the days you're looking for and provide a few options to choose from. Before I proceed, could I confirm your travel days? You mentioned next month. What specific week you're thinking of?
We're planning to travel from the 15th to the 22nd of next month.
Great, thank you. Let me quickly check availability for those dates and see what package we have. Please hold for just a moment. Thanks for holding. I found a few options that will fit your travel days. For example, we have a 7 days to 6 nights stay at the beachfront resort in Palawan, including airport transfer, a private boat tour, and half-board meals for about $2,500. Or in Krabi, there's a similar package with snorkeling excursions, cultural tours, and all-inclusive meals for $2,000. Which one sounds better to you?
I think the Palawan package sounds perfect. Can you tell me more about the resort?
Sure, the resort in Palawan is beautiful 5-star beachfront property that offer luxury villas and stunning ocean views. It's located in a quiet area so you'll be able to relax and enjoy peace and tranquility. They also have a wellness spa, a private beach, and offer a range of water activities, including snorkeling, kayaking, and island hopping. Shall I go ahead and book this for you?
Yeah, please book that for us.
Excellent choices. I finalized the booking for your vacation package in Palawan. I also email you a confirmation along with details of your accommodation, excursions, and a breakdown of total cost. You will receive the booking voucher within the next 24 hours. If you need anything else or have further question, are you prepared for your trip? Don't hesitate to call us. We're here to help you. Have a wonderful day and thank you for choosing ABC Travel and Tours.
Thank you.
Thank you po.